Hello, I'm Rick Huddleston with the DWD Technology Group. We are a Sage 100 partner located in Northeast Indy. Today we're going to look at exporting data from Sage 100 into Excel. So let's talk about it. The first method that we're going to discuss today is exporting data from Crystal reports. So let's go look at a Crystal report. So we're going to just go ahead and run it out in preview mode. So to get this data from Crystal into Excel, there's a couple easy steps. First, we're going to hit this Export Report button. And then we're going to select our format. And we're going to say Microsoft Excel. And then we're going to say Application. You could save it to disk, and then it would be a file on your local machine. But we're going to by sending it to the application, it will automatically open Excel for us. So then just hit OK. Now we're going to select some format options. Usually trial and error will let you select the best options for what you're trying to obtain. I always just start with the defaults when I export it. So we hit OK. And now you can see here that we have generated that customer listing inside of Excel. Now, when it comes from Crystal reports, sometimes it's not the prettiest, and it may take a little bit of work to get it into the format you want, but the data is here, as you can see. So let's close that. And let's go take a look at another very convenient way to get data out of Sage 100 into Excel. So if you go to any screen that has a drop-down menu that will include a list of the data that you can select from, you'll notice that there's an Excel button down here. Now, you could customize your lookup and get the additional data or data that you want in here. But we're not talking about that today. We're just going to look at how to get it out of the item list. So once we're in the list, we hit Excel, and you'll notice that the drop-down list populates Excel. And so now you have, again, another file that you can use in Excel. Third way I want to talk about today. In any module, you'll notice that there is this Explorer folder, right? So you can go to AP, and it has an Explorer folder, inventory, as we just saw. Let's go look at sales order. I know that a lot of times people like to look at their sales orders throughout the day or on a daily basis, and they like to get this information out of Sage 100 into something a little bit easier to manage. So you can open up one of these views. I'm going to open up the Open Sales Order view. And you can see here we've got data that is related to your open sales orders. So now to get this into Excel, we're going to select File, Export Options, Microsoft Excel. So, voila, we have our open sales order information exported from Sage 100. So I encourage you to look at these three methods if you're interested in getting data out of Sage 100 and into Excel. Review them. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you.